30 years ago, this was the place where I experienced my very first reflexology session. I was still a college student then. Today, my husband and I came back, hoping to relive a memory that has stayed with me all these years. But after 3 decades, would we still find the place I remembered? Come and join us as we revisit Patria de Cebu and see how much has changed over the years. Tara, let's go! Before we head inside, let me show you where Patria de Cebu is located. It's right in the historic heart of Cebu City, just across the Cebu Metropolitan Cathedral, and only a short walk from the Basilica Minori del Santo Niño. This part of Cebu has witnessed generations of memories, from moments of faith and tradition to everyday life. Untucked among these familiar landmarks is a place that many Cebuanos remember fondly, Patria de Cebu. At first glance, Patria de Cebu looks very different from how I remember it. The surrounding area has grown with new developments like the ongoing Mercure Cebu Downtown Hotel, adding a modern touch to the neighborhood. The entrance feels brighter and more welcoming, yet I couldn't help wondering, was there still a trace of the Patrias de Cebu I knew 30 years ago? With that question in mind, we stepped inside, ready to begin our search. One of the first shops we visited was a religious store. We met a kind lady carefully making rosaries by hand. We asked her if she knew where the old reflexology center used to be. She just smiled. She wasn't sure. For a moment, it sunk in. Maybe the place I remembered had disappeared long ago. Still, we decided to keep exploring because sometimes the journey itself becomes the memory. As we walked through Patria de Cebu, it became clear that this place has found a new chapter. There are familiar local favorites like Orange Brutus, CMT Lechon, Chikaan Restaurant, a cozy cafe, a supermarket, and even some quiet corners where students gather to study or browse for books. One spot that caught my attention was this charming little bookstore. I smiled when I saw a sign that said, "Buy two used books and get one free blind date with a book." What a creative way to encourage people to read. The food court has also been beautifully redesigned. It feels modern, clean, and inviting. A nice place to enjoy a meal or simply taking a break. Although I never found the reflexology center I came looking for, I realized that Patria de Cebu is still creating new memories for a new generation. 30 years later, Patria de Cebu may no longer look the way I remember it. Some places have changed, others have quietly faded with time. But walking through these halls reminded me that memories aren't tied to buildings, they live in our hearts. And perhaps that's the true joy of coming back, not to find everything exactly as it was, but to appreciate how far we've come while carrying those memories with us. Thank you for walking down memory lane with us. Until our next adventure, remember, life truly gets better with age. Bye!